Okay everyone, welcome back. It's Albert Lebel. This time around we're going to take a look at these Centurion padlocks I picked up off of eBay. Now, I wasn't looking for two of them. Recently I've been announcing that I started collecting these round body shackle padlocks. So these I picked up off eBay. It was 2 for $25 and I thought it was a deal, but it's kind of not and kind of is. They are good padlocks. I did take a file to the shackle and it just glides right across it, so the shackles are truly hardened. A lot of times you find that these more affordable padlocks, they'll say hardened and it's really not. These are, I can assure you. Nice big beefy body to the lock. So all in all, I still think it's a good deal. We'll get to why it's kind of not a little bit later. But for now, let's try and pick into this one, and then we'll get to the other stuff. Another thing I thought was a little surprising, when I seen the key bow, I thought they had the kind of a quick set key to them, but they're actually the same type of key as the American locks. American lock key fits, so sort of the same. They are 5-pinners. Now this one here, it does have really flat bitting, and you might think it's rakeable, but there's sort of spool pins in here. Again, we'll get to that in a minute. Right now, let's pick into this, and then we'll go on a little bit further. Let's go with top of keyway. If I can find something that fits. There we go. Okay. And it is a spring-loaded core, so we got to overcome that a little bit. Did I show? I don't think I did. It's double ball locking. Again, so pretty decent lock, all in all. Alright, let's get this back in there. And we'll get to picking. Again, spring-loaded core, so you've got to overcome that floppy spring-loaded core a little bit. Let me just go with the gem. Okay, good on the camera. Should be alright. Let's get to picking. One springy. 2, 3, maybe, 4, so they act like spool pins. I don't know if that's set or not. Back to the front. 1, 2, I think this is 3. 4, 5, back to the front, pin 1, I think pin 1, there we go, 2, 3, 4, and 5, but we got something not set, 5, 4, 3, 2, there it goes. Boom. Alright, don't you love that when the shackle pops? Okay, so you see how they acted kind of like spools. It did put up a little bit of a fight. Not too bad. But the 2 for $25, still kind of a deal, again, because they are beefy, hardened shackle. But the cores, let's get into that. I've got one disassembled, and this is what it had inside. I'm trying to do this without spilling it. It's got what we call the skeletonized core in there. Real piece of garbage. I'm not sure why they strip all that away. If someone out there knows, please tell me in the comments, why do they strip so much away from these cores? It seems like it's a lot more work as far as machining goes. I hope to think it's not to recycle the brass. I just don't get it. I don't know why they'd go through all that work to make something awful. It makes no sense to me. Please let me know if you know that. So the pins. Remember I said they act like spool pins? Well, these are what are infamously known as blob pins. I don't know if I'll be able to get close enough to show them very good. What I'm going to do is when I get done blabbing, I'm going to put some pictures up on the screen of these blob pins here. They're supposed to be spool pins, but they're so badly made they look like, we call them blobs. Well, I didn't make that up. I've heard that. So anyhoodles, like I said, I'm going to post some pictures up here. So if you're interested in seeing those, just stick around. And that's all we got for now on these Centurions. These were 2 for $25 at the time of this video on eBay. I just wanted to let you know what you're getting into. What I'm going to do is put a good core inside of these, at least one of them. I might just give one of them away as it is. I don't know yet. I'll put a good core in this one, and I'll have a damn good padlock for my collection. Another good round body padlock. So that's it, the Centurion. If you're not subscribed yet, please do so. If you like this video, hit that button that looks like this. And stick around for some more pictures of those. Alright? Thank you.